What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, the Anya Zoe situation, like, me not like my people. Everybody have them opinion. Me see Anya talk to GX, you know what I mean? And GX, like, him kind of sympathize with her. You see me? Cause GX have youth too. It could have been anybody youth, but my people, me no feel like say the problem where a lot of people have is that the daughter do whatever she did and them just a blame Annie right off but just so. Well, me no really have no, me know say Annie could not control whatever the daughter do I did. But the fact that she no give her the chance to get her education, you see me I say, or push her, you see me, if go on to school, even if she feels some type of way like them a go bully her. Look how long the bullying happen, seeing, and she change parish. So that means say the school a go change. So when she go school, the picnic them good as they even know about where she get the bully where she get. So she a go good, right? Other part them me no like why you saw me I say Annie I forget it. You know what I mean? Because she could have sent the picnic to school and she would have her hands them full most of the time, so she wouldn't have too much time on her hand for boy. She change too much. Me know say when girl picnic just start do them thing in our people, them wild and can't tame, you know. So me know say Annie now got a full control over them something there. But the fact is that Annie a change man in front of the picnic. She allow her to do certain things where picnic fear her age no fear do. You understand? She just lego the picnic loose, and me hear Kavi bash Dragga. You see me I say, Kavi, you can't bash Dragga and you don't know the full story. You understand? If you sympathize with with Zoe, you sympathize with Zoe, but you cannot bash Dragga, because you want me to know. Saying Dragga, we don't know where him see a go on, because we up on the internet and we are stay from outside and we are see a lot with disgusting. You see me I say, so Dragga where they in the situation when know what exactly a go on. You know, if you say him see more than what we see, and that's why him I leak out on certain things and I show certain things and I expose certain things for the public see, because him want some type of intervention for him sister. Him know him go through as a young youth. You know what I mean? The way how him grew up and something, him know how Anna them grew up. So him want better for she. So him coming on the internet and I expose certain things. Yeah, it kind of bit extremist, but if him can't get through to Annie and him can't get through to Zoe, what else him for do? Just tell me, please, and tell me. What else you think the youth for do? So me personally, me not go bash Dragga, because me know myself as a bigger brother. When my smaller sister grew up, me protective of her. You see me I say, I'm want to say the best for her. You understand me? So why any like brother, me would go that far to expose certain things, but any bigger siblings would have look out for them younger siblings if them see them a go down the wrong path and the mother now do nothing. That me I tell you now. So Dragga you know seeing say boy Zoe I do all of the things them where adult do, she want do. Remember you know my people, the little girl a smoke. See, and more than one time me hear Dragga talk about it, and he come like say I know nothing. Annie a smoke. He look like say Annie a smoke with the picnic too. Guess who smoke, my people? Annie smoke. So no Annie picnic say a smoke and go and smoke too. Annie money. Every minute they move go a different community. I be a cuss with people over, man. All of the chase them where Annie have. The picnic have it. You see me I say? So anybody who a bash Dragga or leave the damn youth alone. Love him. Annie attack bad about him and no ear Annie attack bad about him. That are the reason why Uno take it up on the head and I bash the youth. Yo, if I never fit Dragga, all of this thing here, like we wouldn't know say Zoe a smoke first of all. We wouldn't know say Zoe catch a STI. We wouldn't know say all of them fooling she a go on with Zoe. Zoe a put on type of a clothes a go out. If Dragga never put the life upon her, maybe she wouldn't change the clothes. So everybody will bash Dragga. Dragga are the better one out of everybody around them. Remember, you know, Anna did come out and say some whole heap of things, you know. Annie say Zoe are going with this and Zoe are going with that, and we Annie do what it? Nothing at all more than rush Anna though. So more to tell more the thing. We are gonna watch some more. We are gonna get E-night. Now watch some more. We are gonna get E-night with people. So we have more things to share. So make we just kick it off.
My life I gonna know and doing it, bro. I'm gonna feel come talk, bro. Bro, but they ask me life I gonna want down hill, bro. I see when I say Father God really go on in my life. I take time out with God and sing and reason with God, bro. That's not what I mean ask me I come alive, bro. I take time out and sing and read. It's about me ever pray. All the things are going for my prayer. When they're not going for my prayer, I pray. When I wait to reach a certain trouble for pray. Believe in my Father that I pray right through. Listen me and say to you, bro. Before I shot, bro, and jump off and jump and sick out. Sick out, bro. Sick out, bro. I don't have AIDS, I don't have cancer, I don't have bad illness, bro. Me sick out, bro. Somebody that try to fuck me up, charge. But I go to never praying, man, I never praying for them. My grandmother prayed for me too. Somebody that try to fuck me, bro. Them can't get to me physically, them try to get to me, you know, spiritually. You hear that? Yeah, bro. One day I get up there, one day I sleep and I get up charging. And me advice say. Me advice, bro. When I believe who want believe, bro. When I believe who want believe and who don't want believe, but me I say, bro. When I believe who want believe, but me I say, but I want me experience, me I telling you. Me advice say. Zuma, your time for going up. Watch out. The blood clot. The feeling of the joke. Me advise Zuma, your time for going up.
Always. Yeah. Annie no bipolar either. She no buy no polar car. Annie no wear brand. Annie don't wear brand. You understand me I say? But these people, and me see it. I saw it. Everybody a talk about Zoe is a child. Let me tell you, move someone no move a views on all look on everybody where I say Zoe is still a child and people must not want to see the video. Zoe all make video, but me a smarty picnic to it. You never know say you smarty picnic when you bum off a when you bum off a grown cocky, you never know say your mother might see this. Zoe, you consent to all the video. Zoe consent to all the video. Nobody said to Zoe, and he never drop up Zoe and say, Zoe, why you make them video, yo? Why you looking at the camera? Why? All them something there. And the only reason why Zoe could have done all of them excitement there, it's because she knows the mom that she has. She know the mother where she have. So she can do all of them something, look up in a camera, get pick me where I don't take and would not look in a camera. Now look in a camera because this might let out. How many videos come out? Then why Zoe repeat the cycle? I tell you about generation curse. And una go say about Zoe can change. And una alone say it so smell like Tom Ford. And una alone sniff. Yeah. And una alone ask no. A long time she do it. Zoe never born with no eye man. The same way the mother got caught doing what she's doing, and the same way the little girl get caught and do what she do. So una go tell me say it's not a cycle, and he set this in place. And then Annie come now a cry cree and a ball. Eh? Annie come now a cry cree and a ball. But police just turn up at Annie door and lock up Annie. Lock up Annie, melt the key and give her for drink. It's true. Lock up Annie, melt the key and give her to drink. Me say if it had been GX man, no harm GX. But if it had been you with Shanta being on the video like Zoe, me no mean no disrespect, but if it had been that way around, GX, everybody that send police at your yard, me not ask you. Everybody would have sent police at your yard. And the same thing we should do Yankee by any Yankee, and the same thing reach our daughter. And the same thing reach our daughter. Unfair gameplay twice, and it never take long. It never take long. Unfair, you do a man that thing. You see, you'd have blame Yankee for something for your picnic them, you know. If you never come out and say you and Yankee there, you'd have put a blame on Yankee. Me now ask you, and here tomorrow morning, gotta go ensure that I'll ask you. All when God has saved you, He might go ensure, say, what you do, you go pay a price for it. Me now ask you, it's true. A lot of you females sit on the apple on a big wall. And no, it's true. And all them want. What? The fruity. I might just tilt over in the pool and the but true, Nicoline, is true. Enough people have picnic. Sit on the app with them big hole.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, Zoe a picnic. We are going to establish that. We are going to just put that right there. So that is the root of everything. Zoe a picnic. Whatever Zoe do, how Zoe learn. Who to be blamed? Who influence her? Who make she turn right before she ripe? Who force ripe her? The mother. That's why I tell you, say, and if you get condemned, and people if you try help Zoe, you see me I say, although this point where she reach, it a go take the Almighty to really change her. You see me I say, because she reach a point where she in her prime, and when picnic broke out them time, yeah, it take a while, me I tell you, for them really settle and understand themselves and stop what them do. Some of them do not stop. Them become worse as the years go by. You understand me? And people, that's why I tell you, say Dragga are the sensible one out of all of them what did it. You see me I say, not even the next brother. Him come like say him last, him just work with the flow. Whatever go on, him no address it, him no say nothing. You see me I say, but Dragga see the fool in the show go on, and him can't bear if you know say yo, she a good on that part there. Because if him can't see it, my people, hold on. Remember you know, Dragga no really live with them, you know. Him live with them sometime. Seeing if him can come and see what Zoe a go on with without being there right through. You tell me say Annie don't see it, and Annie a woman, Annie did broke out from she look so she know the signs them what to look for. You tell me say Annie never see none of that. People, Annie forget condemn. You hear me I say? Annie forget condemn. Annie feel him picking them people in the worst way. Look where he make film daughter gone, you know. Look where she make the little girl gone. She could have been the tree, my people. But me tell you no say, it look like say Annie a sell the picnic them for true. Just like what Dragga say. Because Dragga know what he must say, and me no know why the people them a blame this youth here. Uno ease up off of the youth, man. Bridging, uno ease up off of the youth. I try to save his sister. I angry everything where him see she a go on with. Anger him. That's why him have to come to the internet with it, because him knows that the internet a go beat Annie, and when them beat Annie, she a go eventually change. But the internet beat her and she don't change. Wait, what? Tell me. If Anna the first time Dragga come out with something, remember Anna come out first and Anna say, yo, Zoe a touch, you know, Zoe have money, you know, Zoe a smoke, you know. The internet beat Annie. Tell me what the changes you know see. Then Dragga come out here now one at a time and show Zoe a goat with Annie. Or Zoe a goat with Annie in some little impy skimpy something as a little picnic. And Annie was okay with it. Dragga fi ask her where you going at that, and it look like he cause an argument and him rough her up. So till him have to end up turn on him live. So me a show you know my people. Say Dragga can't talk to Zoe, and Annie a say, yo, talk to her. You as a brother, you know come talk to her. You know play at that she a tell Jakes, you know, me a gonna make you no hear where she a tell Jakes, you know. And Jakes a fall for the cowballing and the crocodile tears and all them something there. Me don't know why Jakes a fall feet, and I tell her say, yo, things are go alright man, you so see a youth and something. And enough of them nowhere near Zoe. And he must not then nowhere near Zoe, because she is not fit for be a mother. Look how much picnic she have and she not fit for be a mother. And he not fit for be a mother, Virgin. Me I tell her she feel her youth them. She a say she try. Me nah go say she not try no, but she not do enough. Her best is not good enough, my people. As me I say, when Dragga come to the internet with anything, because she a say Dragga don't say nothing to Zoe. None at all. Him not try to talk to her. And remember me telling you my people, me no did it none at all with any of them. Me never around them, me no know them. And me can tell us a Dragga talk to that girl more than one time, more than two times. A lot of time Dragga tired to talk to her. Because when him talk to her, she not hear, he go through one eye here and go through the next one, because him my brother or mother nah do nothing. The mother nah do nothing, so Dragga fi come in and do nothing and make no changes. So me I try show the prime example. Say Dragga have to come to the internet whenever anything are going anymore and get through to Zoe and get Zoe if you stop do whatever, or you know what I mean, listen to him or whatever. When Zoe did a go out in the impy skimpy thing and the man tell her go change it, the man say she argue with him and don't want to go change it. You know when she go change it, when him say look how me I go tell the live, me I go show the live and tell them what you are going with, and turn on him live and turn it pan her and say people look here, look where Zoe are go to, you know. And me tell her say if you change it and she don't want to change it, and at that the time that she change it, you know, and guess who come bash him? Guess who come bash him and I defend Zoe? Annie come bash him and I defend Zoe. And him dip on the internet. Him dip on the live with it. See, so you a tell me say, if him dip on the live and everybody a see, and Annie a rush him up, and I say why am I do that to him sister and Ray. What says when him not dip on the internet? What she do? She a defend the girl in her wrongs. You see me I say, so at same time when she a put up resistance, the man jump on the internet and I tell the people them because him angry and him ready for lick her down to more people. You see me I say, but him say yo, let me just show the internet and she a go change. So I internet the man have to run to all of the time for a solution or if you get Zoe for do certain things because Annie nah do it. You see me I say, so you tell me say Annie never hear when him tell her to go change and something for jump in and say, Zoe, go and go change that man, what is that you're wearing? And she, me can't think Annie buy the clothes them, so she would have buy the clothes with knowing say, oh, them are not appropriate for Zoe wear. And then the next thing when we see say Annie a force right this picnic and want she fi grow up and do what she want to do. A red ear Annie go put on last when back to school I think is a red ear she go put Zoe in. So no thought of no school nor nothing. Not did it because why would you? And at the same time she did say she a look about Zoe fi go school and she say them go somewhere fi go talk for Zoe fi go try get Zoe in her school. And I think at the same red ear Zoe, yes, people I think at the same red ear Zoe go at the place fi get in at the school. And we not see nobody like a real thing them do. So that maybe I just want to look thing for use to get money from the people them. People, they can't stop talk. Oh, they discuss Annie and I waste them. Because as a mother, you have to look out for your youth them. You have to play a better role. If you fail the first two, you fail the first three. You see me I say you fail the first set of picnic them where you have. Don't fail the last one. In all of them she fail. You see me I say? No, Virgin, Annie forget run off of the internet, Virgin. Bad example as a mother. You see me I say very, very, very bad, yo. And then she come with this, me people, Annie is a manipulator, Virgin. Me I telling you say Annie is a manipulator. You see me I say? Annie the least little thing Annie cry. You see me I say I'm a people me always hear say you see people are quick to cry I general them. You see me I say yo Annie Annie disgust me people. Me can tell you that big woman plain and straight. Annie disgust me.
Them big nasty old and still not talk about justice for Zoe. Justice for Zoe. If Zoe not go nowhere, Zoe are going to repeat the same cycle. You soon reach 16, so Zoe just hold on from the little way you have. You soon reach 16 because it's all about what happened. You soon reach 16 because me I tell you say you're just like your mom. You're your mother's daughter. You are your mother's daughter. Somebody block the individual here for me. Block them. Not justice for Zoe over your son. None. I never grape she get. Not justice for Zoe. None. You mad another program here, you do justice for Zoe. Not this program. Annie come out, and before Annie tackle Zoe and say, Zoe, what you really did that though? If you have to bring everything upon live, why not reprimand your daughter upon live? Why not ask your daughter if I saw you grow her? Because you know say that's exactly how you grow her. You know you do? You come out and I blame the brother. Or you blame the brother about the brother have art against you. Eh? Or the son for have art against the son that have feelings to him not shame to. Him not shame. You make it at your point of duty that Dragga can't Zoe. You know? Because if she have a brother will really stand up for her, you get what I say? She wouldn't do a shadow. Enough of we grow with big brothers and big sisters that we can't do certain things.
Right.
With them days they gone.
They're beyond eons ago.
You know what your brother see what I do? Hey girl, make me come see what I do. You know you can't do certain things make your brother say. You can't even stand up with one boy and make your brother say, I will not play marble. You can't even stand up with him. Dragga, let me say this. We all can sit here and blame Dragga. You understand me? We all can do that and blame Dragga. However, Remember that Lammy cannot talk to Chantal. Remember, Lammy can't talk to Chantal, you know? You get what I say? Lammy cannot talk to Chantal. What does that tell you? So we don't want to say Dragga careless. So you have to be careless. He gotta be careless. I bet nobody can touch Dragga picnic. I bet Dragga can't now grow and picnic like how him see him sisters them grow. We never wonder why Anna run with red hands and don't make red hands come on him sister them like that. Eh? You ever wonder why? Because you da hear tomorrow morning say red hands and them do something. True or false? It could have been red hands name we are called now, not like the 18-year-old guy or the 30-year-old guy or the 20-year-old guy. It would be Dragga name we are called. It would be red hands name we are called. You ever wonder why? But when you sit down on the app and go like, you not smart, you don't know nothing, you don't know where you're going. And everybody want to jump up. That's why I say TikTok talk is different from courthouse talk. When you can sit down on TikTok and justify all sort of case. But it's when it comes to courthouse, don't believe so the judges, them are going to say, you know, oh, we saw it on TikTok and it's true. Don't believe that the judges, them are going to say, girl, we see it on TikTok and the guy must be held accountable.
Right.
Them are going to ask, what about you as a mother? The first thing them are going to tackle, you as a parent, them are going to hold you accountable. Where were you? What were you doing? Were you privy to such relationship? Eh? Or friendship? Have you ever seen the guy before? Oh, he came to your door. When he came to your door, what did you do? You go with man. Where have you been? And you did fly out? Just to ask.
It's not an excuse.
Exactly, because every video we will say, you do, Zoe is beside you. So when did she get the chance to go away? And it look like all night the video though. It look like I did all night. I never not there. Oh God. It look like a night. Oh yeah. My vision.
You didn't hear a lawyer mention it or on her live, and I was like, wow. As a grown person, I never knew that. So she like in the
Yeah. So the little girl. And then honestly, yes, I try to justify Zoe about justice for Zoe. Zoe know what she had done. I tell her to say, as Zoe reach the age of consent, she go text Maddie man. Me now ask her as she reach the age of consent. You see, every woman will support Zoe in this. But when Zoe get the chance, Zoe take the whole of her man. Me now ask her no. Yeah? Me now ask her no. She have a finger a guy. Yeah. Me not ask her, my love. Me not ask her. This is nastiness. This is nastiness. And you're not picking them nasty. And no need for all Annie accountable. Number one, this is not about Zoe and the guy. This is all about Annie. And when you really sit down on life and give Annie. When you really sit down on life and give Annie. For what? And that me I try find out why when I give Annie? Eh? And now when Zoe are 15, after Zoe did born with Iman. Eh? When you really sit down on live and give Annie for a nasty situation. Me tell you this every day, be careful what you're tied into, because they say when you put your money towards negativity, negative shall reach you in Jesus' name. Negative shall reach you in Jesus' name. Me now ask you. Hopefully she will send Zoe back to. Number one, Zoe knew that she was going to grind. You know what Zoe did? Bet you couldn't tell me. Zoe shave her front. Enough of a woman now realize that Zoe is so conscious enough as a 15-year-old girl to know, say, don't shave your arm, shave your pum pum, because at this of the man go, all of we girl who a go grind a boy, we shave the front. And none of uno see that as females. None of uno. That are the first thing you know, say this girl is a grown little girl. She is a grown adult. She is a big woman in a 15-year-old age. Yeah, exactly. Thank you very much. I will send me that bullet way book. It's all about thank you, my baby. She is a good. For all of uno woman sit down and talk about justice and justice. And none of uno say when we are going to look for our man, we clean up every year off our crotches. Cause some boy not like ear, you know. And you can't make some boy say your crotches bushy, you know. Cause then we turn up and come back up. No man who send me this. No man, what is? Oh, this is not John Shop. Thank you. Zola, thank you, my baby. Yeah. It's rude. It's rude. She knows.
My people, she bother somewhat to blame Zoe, but we cannot blame Zoe. We not even 1% of the blame we not give Zoe. You know why we not going to give Zoe not even 1% of the blame? Because children live what they learn, and we hear the conversation that Anya have upon live in front of Zoe. Seeing, and if Anya can't have them the conversation there upon live in front of Zoe, what kind of conversation she have when she not there upon live in front of Zoe also? You see me, I say everything that Zoe learn coming up is about man and cooking. That's all Zoe know. Because who she there on, where she like, who she a learn from, who she there on right through. Zoe know about smoking, Zoe know about man, and Zoe know about cooking. Them three things that Zoe know about. Yes, so may I say, so who teach her all of that? No, Annie. Zoe don't know nothing about school. Me I go share with Uno, TikTok liar. I read Zoe WhatsApp status after the video come out and something. The little girl can't even construct a good sentence. You hear me say? So make you watch some more Shibada and we are going to move on to the next after.
She know exactly what to do. She can't. Zoe not shave her arm, but Zoe shave her all. She shave her front fully monk. Me not ask you, her front fully monk. Yeah, and I'll use the body brush her tongue. Why she not go buy a tongue scraper, Zola? Why she not go buy a tongue scraper? This is slapness. This make good parents look bad. I lie?
No.
This make good parents look bad because when you talk a particular way, others say, me and mother, you know, and you the matter, but you're not looking at the reality of it. You're not careless. Do not take offense to it.
Exactly.
Because you're not careless.
Exactly.
Make it stay for careless people. When you say careless
Mother just look for a little girl from 11, 10.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? A 9-year-old as a period, you know? So you have to take your daughter, you have to sit with your daughter and talk to your daughter, say, come here. The whole of we broke and the whole of we poor. You understand me? Me now go tell you, say you now go one man and you might take man there in my back. But me tell you something, like a girl, any day me find out. You understand me?
Watch.
You have to put some measures in place. The little girl went and shaved her crotches, you know. Good, the little girl went and shaved her crotches. You can imagine that?
Yeah.
From you see your 15-year-old daughter shave pum pum and lie tell. Wear ear till you blister. Wear ear till you reach the age. You are go wear ear. I will buy you a ball roll on if don't get so green. I will buy you one of the ball roll on when you're feeling fresh. If don't get so green, you go wear ear. You're a child.
Exactly.
Me not ask you from it now give you infection, you go wear it. So you go know for wash your front and shampoo the ear them for your crotches. And I may tell you?
No.
Shampoo the ear them for your crotches.
Who are grown these people?
A pair big woman who have a drop out of all. A pair big women will have a drop out a hole. It's just the truth. She go wear here. I will buy her a feeling fresh. You see, what is? This a weight name there. Weight name the spray tan. Yeah, tan. You go wear it. You go wear it anywhere the shampoo for come from. Yeah, we need the shampoo. We need. You see all this mosquito? You go wear it by your crutches. Me no know how una a pair big woman una grow. Una look help with the crutches. Una look somebody for help with the crutches. Nobody do want Annie. Who want Annie? Nobody do want Annie. Yes, I forgot call me Chinese bump it, cane it. Yes, I forgot do something to it. It's true. But born in our community, you know. We want little girl, you know. About 2 fingers them in a pokey on the sidewalk.
Mm-hmm.
She's a suck her finger and a finger herself.
Really?
I'm going to tell you how that little girl grew.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, every boy in our community know her crutches. Then I ask you. I tell you. No, it's true.
Crazy.
And it's just the truth.
But they don't understand the levels of pedophilia you always speak about on your life.
Mm-hmm.
It's real. Women, even animals now being, you know,
Yeah.
women, kids, like, so it's, as a woman, if you have a child, like, come on, like, be more responsible, be more present, be more aware, be more realistic.
The only way
In
Annie
things
real
you
to our kids and
talk
in
to
our children in life
with your kids.
and be real is when them a share man.
Crazy.
Is when them a share man, and I'm surprised to see a lot of you females sit down and supporting this.
I'm surprised too.
I am very much surprised. It's appalling, for real. I am very much surprised. And them all give Annie for such a behavior. You can imagine the sacrifice. Eh? Some people sell them picnic, you know.
To, you know, be a while and observe.
Please, for the counter.
You know, watch
Please.
and observe certain persons, you know.
Behavior, yeah.
Yeah, watch and observe.
You have to watch them
Money
energy.
is truly energy.
Right.
I never knew that, and
You never know.
I never knew that until like maybe a year or two ago.
Girl, you have to
never
know
knew.
people's NRG.
Energy is real.
You will go broke if you send your money to some
Absolutely.
people. You will go broke.
Absolutely.
And when we see Annie sit down and Annie and Annie not afraid to be ugly to collect a coin.
Yep. And they're desperate and hungry.
Why Annie ugly doing? She a ball and a look how much gifts are coming. And Zoe don't gonna know CDA. It's not the first we hear say Zoe gonna CDA. Remember when she come and say Zoe run me one at a time.
I saw.
Yeah, it's true. It's you see when it's alright, look at the screen recordings out there. Mind the rice and you know.
Oh shit.
No, when you look at the screen.
My people, let me just say this, see? Zoe live what she learn. I learn what she, what I say now, live what she learn. You know what I mean? Zoe never like see anybody in the family I do some things yet on the young and you say, yo, me can't wait for Ray and Blay. You saw me I say, I think something like that did come up one at the time, you know. When Zoe I say she can't wait for grow up her. Me no remember things, so you know my people, I think something like that did come when Zoe must see, I think Mika with some boyfriend. Me no remember, me no want to tell no lie, but some can't wait for grow up did say. You know what I mean? So my people, Annie, I forget all of the blame. Me I tell you no. Annie, I forget all of the blame. And you know, Annie, I go use this to do, you know, use this to get money. And that Annie, I go use all of this to get, use her daughter to get money. She need it, and me personally would never try stop a person money. No, would never do that, my people. Not even my enemy. Would stop them. Maybe enemy, maybe. But would never try to stop any money. But my people, if you tell you the truth, any need for take away yourself. Yeah, and it's disgusting. Yeah, that's all me can say. And it change man like, and people, nothing wrong with any changing man still, you know. Because me see woman we even a go, we a dance or something. You want to see them picnic. You want to see them picnic or them brilliant and nice and well kept.
Recordings out there. Look at the female. Thank you very much, my baby. Look at the screen recording. Thank you, Zola. Look at the screen recordings out there now. And tell me the amount of people them were talking about. Zoe can overcome and Zoe can grow. Let me just bust on my bubble a bit. You see, even when you're 40, you still remember when you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Absolutely.
You still remember your young days. You see, when you're 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, you're still in tune to your long time before time attitude. You understand what I say?
That's when most of the reflection comes.
Exactly. You have to have a motive not to go back to the place that you were.
Exactly.
You never know how much of them have a motive. Thank you very much, my baby.
That's when most of the reflection comes.
Thank you, Zola. How much of them have a motive not to be? Annie has been through many, and this is why my statement is factual. Annie claimed, and these are her words, she claimed that she was essay, she was grape, she was farm work, she was everybody, even to family she was. And you, no stop squeeze up your eye. And she was all of these things. Now, how could you be all of these things and you don't see a pattern? You don't see something up for your children. You don't see a pattern. And you can't come confess and say, oh, man, but me don't stop one thing because me got you, I love you.
In the fact of it, it's like, okay, despite that might happen, but it's your intention to make a change.
Good.
You understand?
Good.
So, and they act like watching these Jamaican ladies, it's like a lot of people went through trauma. It's no excuse. But I don't understand like the people who like continuously behind those like supporting it. It's like, come on, like
you know, say you don't hear
people
this
go through
about
trauma.
you know, it is about Antigans. Not saying that it's not happening, you know, but you don't hear it like this.
No,
you know?
because
they're not so brave to come out and play sympathy for them mistakes.
Correct.
You understand me? Wait, gone. Why is it that a Jamaicans alone exercise pure nastiness?
Yeah, and it's like people are, have you all,
and his only intention is to obtain a spirit license.
A what?
Spirit license for the bar. The boat bar. It's true. It's true. And in a business about her picking them and you glad to she have a picking, but you think me would have sell my kids? Indirectly you sold them. Because if you know you come from a trad like that and you allow them to trad the same part where you trad, what is that you're doing, Annie? It never played well for you, so you believe that it would play it well for your kids. You are big, stink, nasty, dirty and careless. You are a big, stinking, dirty, careless woman. Me nah ask you. If me by Zoe book them it, TikTok line me the idea a while ago, but you never dare come up. If me by Zoe, I'm still come off my baby. If me by Zoe book them yet, If me by Zoe book them yet, Zoe now go school. Me want by Zoe one me now run them joke there. Me no idiot. Me tell you say gone are the days when parents used to open girl picnic crutches and season it. Gone are the days. You think a joke?
I remember when my aunt and those, they looked at our churches, like, as you would say.
Alright,
like,
you know you have parents. Let me tell you something. You know you have parents, and them buy your pad gear. Them know when your period come. Oh, so them can know when your cycle change.
But should be the thing with me is when I grew up with my peoples, I saw, I looked, and so even before I got my period, I was like expecting it because I was like, okay, and I was like putting on things, practicing it
exactly.
You know? So it's all about, you know, your upbringing.
Yeah, your upbringing,
and it's not always perfect. However, in this time now, and like for these persons who on here, like getting, you know, support from people, like you're not even trying to change, but like you say, you blame the supporters, and they're gonna see
the supporters
because there's no way.
Let me say this,
because you have had to have like some
you
type
don't have to be the best mom,
life experience,
you know, because nobody's asking you to be the best.
You don't even have to be a mom.
You don't. That we just have to say, because you don't have to be a mother still. But let me say this: you
I'm
don't.
A dog mom, proud dog mom.
You don't have to be the best mom, you know. But you see the effort in which way you put out for your kids.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You know what I mean? And yo, Annie could have do better for your youth them. You see it, big woman thing, and we all know that, my people. Well, maybe when it come to Dragga and Anna, she couldn't do that much for them. But me sure say she could have do better for Zoe. You see it? And you know the system where she gone, my people, Zoe needed, you see me I say, Zoe needed some intervention. You see me I say, and this is not something for be sad about when it come to Mika Ball and, you know what I mean, Dragga feel away. We don't hear Anna say nothing yet. But me sure say Anna happy say this happened. She not happy say she isolated certain way from the outside world. Me know them now go really happy about that, but that are the only solution where could have happened right now for kinda curb or show Zoe that there is better than the part where she are good on. My people, Zoe are gonna lag ahead, my people. Dunks like bat out in the world effort, because by the time she done this a stage, you know, amount of money we are gonna run through her, you know. She a go done, you know. You see me I say she a go done. So you don't know if at the pole she a go swing pan like what Annie used to do, or look to TikTok to see what can go on TikTok for her. You see me? So this intervention, you know, might make she pick up when it come to the schoolwork, and she can get a certificate and she can get a trade. You see me I say? So this, although it kinda harsh certain way, cause she get take away from the outside world and kinda isolated and you know what I mean, strict rules and regulation. That's what she need right now. You see me I say? That's what she need. A lot of these female, you know what I mean, got homes and them say them don't like it, the condition, you know what I mean, it bad. Them have a lot of things to say about it. But you see, they look how batty boy when him Landell. You see how him did a go on with him mother or something. Him me hear talk out of him mouth, people say they take where them bring him go homes, it change him completely. I say him, I say, because the people them were there counsel him and talk to him. You see me, him and his mother develop a different relationship, and right now him say him and his mother good. You know what I mean? Him never like what go on at first, but him grow to accept say yo, the intervention was needed and it helped. So I know everybody will go in that place there now go like it and something. Some of them are go thankful for it. So but Zoe can be one of the person them who thankful for it, because them are gonna do a better job than Annie. You see me? So Like how Zoe gone, you know, Annie, you don't have a care in the world. You can run down all the man where you want to run down and do everything what you can do. You know what I mean? Nobody now get at least nobody where near your picnic them now will get influenced by it. Can run road and do whatever you wanna do. People make me know how to think, make me watch some more.
Shows a lot.
Oh yeah.
You didn't know that? You don't have to be the best, ma'am. Nobody now asks if you be mother of the year. All them ask if you do is just take charge of what you have.
And that's the one I see. That's it.
You can't blame the ghetto either.
No, it's not the ghetto. The ghetto has nothing to do with it. It's just that when you come from the ghetto, you decide to be the gully or the gutter water. Pick your choice.
The ghetto has nothing to do with it.
It's either you're gonna be three things: the gully, the gutter water, or the zinc fence. It's not about the place where you come from. It's not about that.
Correct.
You have to try with your picnic. We're going in the pool. Come soon, come off of this, you know. Come soon, have some together time.
Yeah, look at missing a shower cap though.
Yeah, look for shower cap. Alright, then go.
I'm bringing no.
Go, girl. Cause I just might check in the pool in this. Hey. No, movements time, no, man. Stop that now. Just stop that, man, and don't call me. Yeah, it's true. Pastor, it's true. It's not about where you're from. Never you try to be a product of where you're from.
Absolutely.
You're supposed to try to elevate from where you're at. You never know. If your mother own a business which is singular, you go up and try to own more than one business. And like me I tell you, more than one business is try to go up and own that. If your mother never own a business yet, you try to be better than your mother.
Just try to be better.
Yeah, because of your mother teach you.
Even if it's in character as an individual, you know, your morals, you know.
That's what she's trying to do. Oh yes, it's true. She's trying to make Zoe be better than her because from you see Zoe like her job on them on the body, you know, Annie has never done that. And it's so good like she just a taste it.
Oh my God.
You know? But Zoe lucky, you know.
Wow. Jack and them lock up.
Oh, you mean? Look a girl lucky.
I'm glad I don't see those things on there.
Never mind, I will show you.
No, you won't. I won't see.
Yeah.
I won't look at it.
I just want to make your prep so one eye like when Anya ball so. Look
nah.
like a pirate, just one of your vision.
Annie, all me I say to you is don't take the money where the people them are gonna give and buy no more bleaching cream because you're not cold. Leave that alone, please.
And that Anya do. But you see how stupid we are? Time to go see. But we see something like this on the app, we do hold the mother accountable. You know what we do? We award the mom for it. We send her gifts. You see the difference? We send her gifts for being
and
a
that's
bad
galvanizing
mom.
into like feeling like, oh, what I'm doing is good.
It's okay.
It's okay. Like people, like you're rewarding people for bad behavior, and that's not cool. And especially grown adults.
It's okay, Nicoline. It's okay.
You know, with kids and shit like that. That's
when did we reach a part where we award persons, especially parents, for being bad moms, but yet still we talk about deadbeat dads?
Yeah.
You see that we're not gonna say man no body now, man no this and man no neglect them picnic, you know.
Right.
Man no the quickest thing for running for a child. You understand me? But how bad can it be than a mother who has a child and allow the child to walk through a nasty footprints?
Very.
How bad is that? And then we the internet turn on in the people and gift the mother for being a bad mom. When?
Stuff like that.
The bar set extremely low, sea breeze, extremely low. And you see for parents out there who have them picnic and try to be a better mom, really feel bad when people come on the app and a class kids like these and parents like these. You understand me? Because all them are live under this umbrella that she's a mother because I'm a mother too, so let me share some sympathy because I'm a mother too. Yeah. Let me tell you something. Me a mother, but me not careless. If somebody come up and talk about careless parents, me not feel bad because me know who I am towards my kids. So how can you feel bad and support something like this? Tell me the truth.
Yeah.
Wrong and wrong, and then Annie not have the decency to come up and take some form of accountability that people over this happened to me, and I'm really allowed this to happen to my daughter. I'm going to punish her feet. I'm going to punish the young man, but I'm going to take accountability for saying that and my fault why all of this happened.
Say that word there again.
Me I take accountability.
Say that word there again.
I'm gonna take accountability.
Say it again.
Accountability.
Oh, okay.
Drill sergeant. Yeah. It's true. So this just shows me that how Annie and Zoe communicate off camera. That means that Zoe skin up her face and back answer Annie. Show her falls through. Yeah. But anyways, yes, so may I leave on tonight.
I would expect this from a child. I expect this from no blood clot 18-year-old. We watch them on social media and know so they have a platform, they kill this. But as when I hear speak, sir, it's not somebody that's very old. It's somebody that's 18, supposedly. So if you're 18, you're supposed to watch them and know them. So why would you expose somebody like that, though? It's not nobody that's like a older man. Make sense? It's somebody that's within their age group that leak. I don't know if that's true, but that leak her stuff, and she's 15. So if me even 16 and above, why would I, even as a teenager, why would I expose her? You know, it just don't make no sense. If me I do, at least me I go say we are two pick me an experiment, but why would you expose her? That's just how me look on it. Why? You see so much things with our parents, with our people, or our parents sleep with. Why would you expose her? Our sister and our sister, our brother, them never, why you expose her like our mother? Why? Like, what is the, why? And if you're older, why you do it? You know, the repercussion, probably through the mother never takes, I'm to blood clots. So I'm not really follow up people's business because I can't really know it. Some can't be saying, behind the scenes, if you have a man older than me, expose me picture me, I suck him more than me at 15. That just have to be who you are. That just have to be who you are. There's no way, if them keep them in them phone and say them, I go hold it against you, that's different. But you go ahead and you expose it. What else can it be? No, but be honest with me. Like, what else it can be done? Me at 15. Put yourself in the position or put them at 15, what else could it be? We don't hear nothing about no other man, we don't hear nothing about no man, so what else could it be though? No, be honest. No, but them act like say the man, the girl do something to the man, so me I say, what else could it be though? Me don't know if nobody said it out. And then that me hear. Me hear about that. Me, I don't know. It's a blood clot, Mr. South. She see you doing a certain thing, she see you expose Yankee, she see you, that's the bare minimum. Everybody around her, she see her support her certain things. Probably she get molested, I don't know, I'm just speaking from what we see. Because obviously...
Alright, so for answer Kavi question of why this youth you do what him do. Not just so them youth you turn you know, nowadays, man, them are going with things, them want to record it for show their friend, or for having a them phone for, you know what I mean, if a girl act up, they have something over so that she obey them or something, you know what I mean, and that them boy nowadays, I feel them style them or something, you know what I mean, so, that him want if I'm just want to have it for leverage, you understand me? Well, Zoe should have known them there's something different. She see anyone expose and all of these things, but maybe by them time they should don't do that already. You see me I say, cause them I say a whole video. Oh Zoe, if you have whole video, as we share ask, because watch some more people.
She's been doing this for a while. I'm not bringing her down, but it's not her first rodeo. On our first rodeo. That's why the boy forgot prison came to Otada. You can take away your tick and take away your tick and hold it and hold it to your own. You feel like you have to broadcast it because you know so them know so you want to bring them down. You want expose her because you know so they know they want clout or fight. So alright then sir, take clout. Take prison. I mean make an example out of you. Because anybody with trouble her or got blood clot prison. So even if she blood clot fucky or light fuck or bad no blood clot, it will not got prison. She have to fuck her age group. That's all the on them are escape. You have to fuck your age group. Your people, your peers have to fuck. Because I got molested. I'm talking from honest perspective. I get molested from several people that I said on live, and I feel hurt about it. So therefore, somebody have to learn. I'm learning from my own mistakes. Somebody have to well accountable. But what Dragga did last night was not nice. To her, it was not nice. Even though we want to hear what go on and everything, and would have probably nice, right. We never see it. A Dragga alone blood clot eating family so much. Even eating little sister, we never see she talk about it. A Dragga alone. Cause him can eat him mother, cause whatever your mother do to him, but we never see his sister talk about him too tough. A him alone. And when we have kids and we are talking about other people certain way, we have to know so we have kids and it can happen to us too. So we have to take it with a grain of salt. If you have spread justice and you have tried to stand up for your sister, that's different than enlightening, just spreading certain information to bring her down. And that's just what I saw. That's just what I saw. Even not last night, but even before last night. Right? Care vibe. And it made me feel bad for people when I have our parents too. Because at the end of the day, we feel bad for as much as all people bring down Zoe, we feel bad for Zoe. Because I think she's smart. I think she's full of so much potential. Even Anna. I don't know much about Mika, but I know about even Anna. I think Anna is full of so much potential. She's so talented. And it's the same thing with the little girl. I'm gonna keep on one call her name, but it's the truth. When me see she do here, when me see she do certain things, it shows that she's talented. Someone with talent just display in a different way. You know what I mean? It just shows that sometimes environment, it just limit with so much. I'm gonna want to talk about people so much that it become a thing, but it's true. Exactly, Marshmallow. Me not really hopeful. Me don't know about Anna, but you see when it come on to the little girl, me just feel like say if you fuck up with Anna, Mika, and Dragga, whatever other kids, me just feel like say it's supposed to be a change with the little one. Cause alright, if somehow we get beaten in our when we did older, we kids not get beaten, we grandkids not get beaten, the other younger than we don't they really get them. With parents, them try a different approach. Cause if them try a certain thing and it don't work with we, them try a different approach. Make sense? Yes, please. May I tell you, like them try a different approach with us or with our grandkids or with another child that's probably a couple years. Me not feel like say right to try just fuck up with all your pitney them. Me just, even if you fuck up with some, me can respect you and say, probably you did young and you try. But all of them, bro, fuck if you have a big blood clot, people with have sense and smart and nasty, them go to school or a trade school. Go penny smart. Go penny can do here. Me not even see a scenario got blood clot, what you call it? What them call it? A Jamaica guys? Art, not even art. Me not even know what age art take you, but nothing. She just there, yeah, she bored. She see you doing a certain thing, she see her expose Yankee, she see her, that's a beer me. Bad to bad, as though me not agree with what Annie do, I don't think she agree with who exposed her daughter, I don't think so. I don't think so. Honestly and genuinely speaking, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Dragga is that I do not think that Dragga is, no, I do not 100%, I do not feel like that is true. Some of the people, some of the girls might beg the man for video to care vibe. So that's the next thing too. Some of we are do things down and we think we're in love, especially, are we in at the moment? Some of the people might ask the man to do it too. Why is it out? I don't know. But I would not want to video a child if I'm an adult and video it. That's evidence. Why the fuck you would I video it? You know what I mean? Even if she step a video, me now video it, a blood clot, me go put it on video, but me now video. Especially if you're an older person. I'm not doing it. Especially because you're not
No, I don't think that Annie, like, you know what I mean, agree with the youth either. Just so me I say, what happened, and the youth solely do him do. You understand me? Annie don't support it. Annie would have never support the bring down our youth. Me not think so. You see me? So at least that me can give her. But you know what I mean? She's still at the root cause of all of this. Let me know what to think, my people.
Your people them know me not. Honestly, it don't matter if it's true. If you think it's right for a man as a man to come on the internet and belittle them sister, whatever age it is, it's not right. Even if it's whatever them will tell her, it's not right. Your little sister, you exposed to she have sexual transmitted disease. It's not right. You have to talk that up with her mother. And if you feel like say it get out of hand, you probably go talk to the people who can actually help her. Social media cannot help her. It's true. I'm not going to let people business alone. Because I don't want nobody bring down me and repeat them for people business. So I'm not going to let people business alone. I'm going to let people business alone. Because it give me headache. I'm not like when people business give me headache and a blood clot. Me I gotta leave people business alone because I cannot manage people business. I have enough as a person on my own, for my own. Me can, but when me see Una say that, it just shows that Una personally get traumatized by a family member because if you're not gonna say she not a manners to her brother, what the fuck she should have manners to a person that allegedly hurt her sister and probably is hurting her? What is wrong with you now? I'm not reading no more comments, you know. But that don't make no sense. If and it seemed like it's that way. But why? Because would I never become my sister or nobody for me. If it's the case, I prefer go to the CDA or whatever person can help her. Try to get help for her because I don't want she go through what me go through. I wouldn't be on the internet bashing her knowing that people already have a stigma attached with your mom and certain things. I wouldn't be on the internet bashing her. That's just my thing. If I know my hands are clean and I know I'm doing my best for her and my mom is not, I would be, me I go say me I go generational curse. And if I could take her, if they could help her, that's fine. Me not gonna on the internet to expose her or help expose her or spread highlight to who is exposing her. That's just my thing. It's just weird. It's not of a regular family dynamics. It's not right. So if you don't agree with me, that's fine. But is something wrong with that? It's either you're obsessed with your mother, so you try to expose what she had do with the sister, not in a way to help your sister, but to belittle the little girl. Or you're lying. It's either or. It's either or. It's either or. It's either or.
Alright, now you better I'm gonna tell you to suck it, man. Don't text my after me. Okay, I'm gonna switch you from. Anyways, when you can say again, I go to the charm and not laugh about it. Like, it's sad, you know. It's sad, you know. You know why it's sad? Because our mother do this to other people. Remember, Annie exposed Yankee, you know. Right? When they get exposed, Annie come talk about it, she laugh. But them are grown adults, we see it. Zine? So even though Annie exposed Yankee, I'm an adult, but he must still somebody pick me. As much as Zoe, Annie pick me and she underage, you know. Yankee was still smarty pitney too. So Carmen really have an age or a number to it. Like for instance, me can go kill a big man and then them kill my little brother. I just my Carmen that can go kill smarty pitney. So Carmen I really have an age or a number to it. You see what I say? And it's very sad, bro. Very sad. Very, very sad. More of them bring the little girl got therapy, make she get counseling. You see me? And all I who I look for see that on mountain.com, I'm not gonna depend on it, bro. I'm not gonna ever post it, bro. You see me? I'm not gonna post it, bro. So I know why you not come ask me for nothing, bro. You see me? I'm not gonna post it, bro. I'm gonna get that change of heart there since like 2 days ago. You see me? And as I'm saying, if I know say it bad when the system, I'm not do it. Very, very portion. You see me? Yeah, brother. For real, bro. You see him? Annie, for do better as a mother. Because kids do live where them learn, you know. And if you are doing it and them things say it's fine, them are gonna do it too. And when them get big, you know, them are gonna tell you as the mother, them are gonna say you live your life and you do what you want to do. You not do more than what me not do more than what you do. And you are the problem. But true. For real, yes, the problem for real because you do a lot.
My people, Shanell is a person around Annie long time. And when she come say, Annie are wicked. You see what I say? And my people, and if you remember what she do other people, you see what I say? Yeah. You remember how she exposed Yankee. The exposure she exposed Yankee F up the youth life, you know. Yeah, I'm lucky say we could have get a woman after all of that way the expose where him get. You see me I say? I'm lucky say him strong in her mind and go analyze himself. You see me I say? So she do that to somebody else. Now she a feel it now. How it feel. You see me? She get somebody where she loves so dearly. Although I don't think Annie really love that little girl. You see me I say? Get the same thing done. You know what I mean? She get exposed too. You know what I mean? So you can say that's karma. You understand? Make me know what I think me could watch some more and then move on to the next.
Bro, and you not raise your daughter them in the right and proper way. Don't get me wrong, you know. Pitney bad. And Pitney go out of the way and Pitney embarrass parents enough times. So you raise a Pitney good and when them go road, them do different. And people are going to say, watch out, Annie Pitney that Annie raise her daughter good. People are not eat that. So you see, if that was the case, nobody would not blame him. You see me? If that was the case, nobody would not blame him for real. Because people don't say, yo, one thing with Annie shows her daughter them good, and look where out the road I do. Like for real. You see me? People are not stupid, bro. So you see nobody now back you, it's because the sister where you're out here I do. You see you pray. Because you're out here I do, bro. And it can change. You see me? It can change. But the change have to start with you. Because we see you left one man today and then the next one tomorrow. You just have bring a bag of man when you pitney them like it's not cute. You see me I say? You don't give yourself time for heal. It's like your pitney them just have like 10 different stepfather every week. I don't know. But I will see. You see me? So Annie herself need healing too. Annie have trauma. And hurting people can't help nobody. People who already hurt and people already go through trauma, them are just inflict them trauma on another person. You see me I say? It not gonna make a difference, bro. So Annie, to try and raise her pitney them, it's a hard for her because she herself I go through it, bro. You see me? She herself I go through it. So for she, you know, bro, I go say sure I go raise her daughter them good, bro. It's a hard. I'm not gonna tell her life because she herself want raising. You see me?
Sister, me I try to help her and her brother come out, Jakes. And her brother come out and leak about the medication which she didn't take when she catch a STI. Jakes, me name know that. And her brother come in her house and go in her room and take a picture and leak it on her little sister. So yeah, my big son is supposed to come to book now and help your sister, and if you want jerk me up as a mother and tell me 2 words, then no problem. You get what me I try to say? When you come leak that about your little sister so she catch STI, bro, and she take her medication. Put her in her place then. If you see me do the wrong, then rocks you up as a mother too.
What name?
Dragga. Who that Dragga?
Dragga look at bus on the internet too, because if every little thing I take, if you don't want to talk to you, if you want to talk to the internet. That's not right.
As in, all the same come to the people.
If him say medication pan a dresser, and you don't know, of course if you come page about it, you're supposed to know. And then page she try to be a man at the house as the oldest son. But you go up on the internet and break down your sister and break down I really want Dragga.
And that I name man, Dragga.
That Dragga, man,
and that's everything come from now, you know, because I come say, and me say, me realize, say, right, did this on no Jakes. It's like, me get rid of them. So me there so with her now. You understand? So me say, alright, me come off her media then and start put her back in her school, then make she get some activity and start focus. Big man, that's
them say regular Dragga try.
Dragga pussy, man, Dragga.
Try to straighten her up on her.
Try one. No, Dragga never straighten up, not one of them. Not one of them. Not one of them. Dragga never try none tal. Dragga rather grab the media and grab the phone and start put it on the media and start make everybody know what go on. You see me? If me and Dragga would have worked together as a day, son, and the man attack. And me tell you the truth, me thinking with me. And me and him there saw what a reasoning. And then me take a start, me started to realize, say, yo, a style in there, a style me talk to me like me and him good. You see, if he did really with me, Jakes, me and my son could have worked together. When he make me lose all my kids, Jakes, me and my son could have worked together. And my first son that, you know, say me can't manage by myself, and me and you know for deal with it, you know. And if your little sister there says like she want to come loose out her thing now, and you for jerk her up more while girl too look hard in her ears, you know, and say, hey girl, go over this. I saw you deal with it because you know, say mommy can't too lick her no more because me have my pressure, Jakes. Jakes, me have high blood pressure. The more why me can't lick them or some more that jerk them or sometimes lick now help. You see me?
If you want to lick.
Yeah, me I tell you, me top lick him. Me top put me hand on him. Me low him alone and talk to him if he can't hear me say alright, then me deal with you a different way. Top put me hand on him. But me just like wonder how a code thing go with her now. How me go? How?
You need to worry and fret about nothing that. You just go represent yourself at court. When they bring her to court. Whatever you know, tell the judge. And you go try to see what I want.
Yeah.
I find the situation and you go see back your daughter, man.
Me do the right thing, me do it right. Me do anything to get her back in the right position, you understand? And me have to go through counseling. Me go through counseling and so me not have a problem. You understand? But me just want to know, say, she see herself. Because what she do know to me, Jakes, like, she lose herself, brother. She lose herself, Jakes. If you can watch a man a video, eh?
Listen now. At the age, you know. At the age. I don't follow them big old cross to your splash and more than video. But she's not ready for them someday. Ready for you to go out there like that. You understand? Yeah, she's not ready for them to sit there. But not for them. Right now we are watching it. They have only for video too. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then do the Charlie boy. You know? Not for them video. So it's just that she young. She's not ready for have no video out there yet. You know? She's not ready to make the media so yeah. Yeah, that.
Yeah.
People like me, I don't know, me can't be that.
May I go take in a couple minutes?
Do picture with it like that. You know? So
yeah, man, so we are looking
but you want
beautiful,
picture,
man.
but you want picture like I want picture with me, you know, with more than a corner. That come like I don't know.
My people, Mr. Annie disgust me a fret. Annie disgust me, my people. You hear she a put Jagga under a bus, a sympathy she a look for and GX, you know. And GX would feel himself roll where Annie a make Annie go on where him a go because me know say the people them in the chat I tell him the right thing, but him choose to ignore it and sympathize with Annie when him just jump and low and make Annie walla in whatever sorrow she a walla in because all of them they are crocodile tears. Annie not sorry about shit. You hear me say? Annie, the only thing Annie sorry about, I say Zoe gone. You know what I mean? Yeah, and that alone, him sorry about it, and nobody fi lead, you know, and fi do the things them together with. You see me? I say, people, Zoe needed an intervention, and she a chose Jagga under the bus like say a Jagga make whatever happen. You see me? I say, the amount of time the man call your attention to certain things and what you do, nothing you know do about it. You understand? So the man exposing certain things on the internet because he want the internet to put you and Zoe in check. That alone him can do. He can't come thump you and Zoe in the face. No. You see me I say, he must try find a solution and that's the solution him find. All of what him do, help the people them to come for Zoe me people because him show evidence of all of these dirty nastiness here what go on in the house, and if him never show it up he'll get swept under the rug. As me say my people, the people them not come for Zoe just so you know, because enough girl get exposed or suck good on them something there and see they no come for them because them have a good structure at home. Maybe not perfect, but them have structure at home. Them have actual parents where the parenting work, you know what I mean? Enough of them go road and go get bad and follow bad company and do this and do that. But the reason why them come for any picnic are because there are a lot of footprints of everywhere going in the household. The people then say yo, we cannot make this youth attend here. So and plus me almost sure say people call them and tell them to go for Zoe already. So them been me feel like get complaint and them just say, you know what, make we go for the youth here.
Yeah, adult. But she Zoe still look a bit neither.
Yeah, man, Zoe a baby. October she a go be 16, you know. A baby. Young look a baby, man. She just needs some help, Jakes. Jakes, when me did young guy in a big man, I wish if me get some help, you know. I wish if somebody did if help me, you know, Jakes, me I run where I got people yard, I sleep at people yard, and when I see how people are deal with them pit, I wish if I saw them a deal with me too, you know. Because I have no family lover and nobody for love me, you know. Yeah, understand me I say? So me just know say I just some help she want and she go see herself. And between a month time I know say it can be a difference here. You understand?
And this, I gotta make sure you realize ourselves too. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
It I go here a little change and make her a better person when she realize that yo, she not have the freedom she used to have like before. You get me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you now realize and like the first time anyone here you never get taken, right? Honey?
My first time maybe.
Yeah, so
My first time. This is my first time maybe.
they know which part we shake up and which part we get buckled up on. You understand which part of parenting I'm gonna get heightened up and then look for something. Yeah, because even though I know 3 years, them say she have them back, and sometimes she at 18, she don't adult, you know. Well, my one them have turned out about 20 and 30 or you know. Because as long as them don't respond me the same, as long as me alive, but still my want them. But, as you said,
yeah, of course, as long as me alive, I'm yeah.
yeah, still have more time we can make choices now. Can reason with her as a man. When she reach the age where you can give her some kind of reasoning too. And make sure know what is what. And make sure know, so, you know, boy like Jayden a dog, and now them sitting there. So, you have to reason with her. I hear that. Reason with her, man. Yeah, the real reason. She reach the age where you can give her some reason now. And she understand, bro. Don't make she stay curious and want to find out. Because curiosity is nothing we can't, you know. You see, she don't want to just stay curious, she don't want to find out. So the reason that make sure know so you're watching a man is not around left yet. This and that put on this a long time for you. You understand? As you find out when you reach the right age, you're gonna know the right person, the right time. Very.
Yeah.
You know?
True.
Yeah.
Come me talk to her, you know. I mean, let me not sit down and talk to her, just me talk to her. Yeah, now what my reason with that.
What have to do with me? It's my problem. It's not my blood clot problem, me dear. It's my problem back then. You don't go like a blood clot for me, pretty. You don't come about blood clot, about Shay and Shay. Hello!
But you did it when them do them nasty.
Who want the letter number? Me have links everything, you know. I can make you win the letter of morning. You don't want to look at rainfall. You don't have drought at Jamaica, me here. No water. You don't have water shortage. By tomorrow, you get some rain. Yeah, by tomorrow, Jamaica get some rain. America by tomorrow, you get look rain. Look coolness, no sun. Cause come like me have all the bomb blood clot links and me have dick everything. The letter number by tomorrow I'm going to pussy bomb ras clot. Cause everything I me do. Anybody want a visa for America, Canada, England? Link me. Me have the link no blood clot. You don't have to get the visa. Like granted no pussy bomb ras clot. And it comes up my pussy. Me know when I blood clot go star no blue movie. Me no star porn, you know. Me know when I star porn.
As much as me.
Did I know when your bitches was gonna start porn? Take account. You're responsible for everything. You walk and bring your daughter around every blood clot, man. Take responsibility for it. Move your blood clot. Use the child role model. Go and suck your mother. I'm busy with you.
Proef zijn de heerlijke romige aard. Galbaan, nummer 1.
You bring a pity around every blood clot, man. Every man you walk and bring your little daughter around. Use our road model. You is our road blood clot model. Are you should learn from the best our mother, Annie? Are you ever say title Annie? Great old Annie. Good girl Annie. Now you call yourself good girl and now you should learn from good girl Annie. You go like a blood clot me as Zoe role model. Me is a fucking sodomite, you know, sodomite, sodomorongo.
I mean, she blood clot learn from. I mean, she see pan video so cocky and skin out my pussy. I wish she see no you. Now your video she blood clot is use her role model. I fear. Yeah, but like my blood clot pitney. Emulate everything in other. So we is.
The people, me tell you to say I be a deflect and blame other people for the things them what she forget fully blame for. She now take the blame, she now take accountability. You see me, she now take it say, yo, me feel me youth them. You know what I mean? You hear how she did talk to GX and GX like him know say, yo, any other dog shit, you know, but him still kind of sympathize with her because, you know, the whole world a beat her right now, but she forget it, she feel learn. Whatever lesson where she a learn, all if you not go use the lesson where she a go learn from all of this, she need to learn it same way. You know what I mean? Yeah man, people if you just make she know say, yo, you're wrong for what you do and you are the cause. Tell her in her face, say, yo, you are the cause of your youth demise and downfall and shame and all you. You see me, I say make she have to take accountability. I hear she accuse Shay, she accuse Dragga, she accuse every single person, but she herself now take the blame, say she uphold with the slackness and she keep the youth from school. If the youth don't have no damn education, oh she a go have like what they call it, you know, skills to navigate through life and to understand certain things. She just dumb, and whatever she see you do and that she go and do, and she follow you go right in a blood clot deep old body hole. You saw me I say right there, so she follow you go, and you are the leader, so take all of the blame.
Sure, no, it's Zoe JR. No. Don't blood clot come here so about me about Shay. Move your bumbo clot, you look funny for blame. Now you dey pan live every day, you and blood clot Zoe about now, boom flick, bust a split skin out. Drop the pussy pan the damn concrete. Now you and Zoe me sit pan live a skin out in a blood clot black. Mesh stacking and so. And you play tag your it. And you tag her and she does skin out her bumbo pan live. And you and her boom flick no blood clot, bust a split and skin out pan live. Now you me see. Now you must see you and Zoe pan blood clot screen record when 2 hours when up on the blood clot cells. Zoe in a blood clot bathsuit top where you wear go beach. I want piece of battery at the shots and she just wind out the blood clot waist so. Don't come by me suck good and you go suck your mother. You go like a blood clot my pitney. Zoe sure?
In Italia.
Die mama drink me rum and go on about my business. You hear? Leave me alone. You come here about Shay. Me. And me walk and shot man. 4011, 2594 is me. But the blood clot you come here and call me name about Shay. Me do what? You just vexed because everything is out in the public. Same like how when Dragga put out the prescription of the Chica Mon or Chica V and the Chica Onos. You vexed about it because it's out in the public. You crash out about it. You know a long time says how you fuck and take man. But through it come out in the public you want to come play like ooh. Worse say make it say long time video. It's a long time video. That means says Zoe a fuck from a tender age. Don't come bomb is not my child. Me is not Zoe role model. Don't blame me. Blame yourself. You're the mother. If you leave the video share you're wrong and you're gonna get charged. Come charge me police. Come lock me up officer. Charge. Officer come lock me up. Come charge me. Doesn't make no fucking sense. Come charge me, officer. Come lock me up now. The police come charge her. Officer, come lock me up. Lock me up, officer. Charge me. Go suck your mother. Hey, come here, so come talk about karma. Calm up underneath your big thinking, mama man. Don't play with me tonight, you know. I run night, you know, if you play with me, me tell you, know. I feel like you can't come put me down when me don't try for my youth, them. No, how you not do what me do for me youth them, and that me I tell you no.
No for una not do with me. Do for my youth them. And I come here so come feel like I want to come blood clot these people. Eh? And you see all you Jagga. You see you Jagga. Eh? Jagga, you see you. Me for ask God for cripple one on my left pum pum cheek. You Jagga, me for ask God for cripple one on my left pum pum cheek. Hey boy, me not lie to you. You're a wicked. Knowing that you're an evil youth. Eh? Most of this start from you. Enough of this start from you because you're not real. And you don't love your sister then. You don't love your sister then. You're supposed to be the man in the family. You're supposed to be the man in the family. You understand? You as my bigger son, you're supposed to be the man in the family. You don't rate your sister then. Eh? And if you go about your big old thinking sour girl come talk about, oh, it is karma. Hey girl, calm up underneath your big thinking mama will come from Spanish town. Shanell, calm up underneath your blood clot sister will fuck out the whole of Spanish town. That is the blood clot karma, bitch. Eh? Only ear say she gone now. She gone. She there with CDA. Our homes wanna call it. Look on it and say, oh God, me pray for her. Say me pray for her. You come out now and come talk about blood clot karma. Pray for her, a young look of blood clot girl. Oh not eat pan the little girl so. Oh not eat pan her so like she ain't nobody. Oh not eat pan her so now pin you out there where I fuck down your place. Eh? I become media pan the media. I know how to know about my business because I'm a media person. No found a blood clot pin here, fuck down the blood clot place. I want to know. How you can't control on the youth them. Eh? I don't come here so want come pick my out of people here. I don't want come pick my out of blood clot people here right now, don't even know on the blood clot pit there. She do what she do and may I seek some help in the eyes of the public. In the eyes of the public, may I seek some help you know. And I say, alright, me get the baby girl some help because look what go on. Eh? I know found out how to deal with the thing, gonna spread it like a wildfire. Like a wildfire, so to do it. I don't look a batty boy pan it up. Eh? I look a batty boy pan it up. Eh? You see how you bumbo clad big old deep old batty Yankee. Hey boy, from the day me care you gonna come at me house in a Yankee. Yankee from the day me care you come at me house assault and murder in a batty boy. Cause me no see a batty you fucking a youth. Eh? For to the day I die in a youth, you a batty man in a Yankee, nobody can.
Some people, this is Annie who's supposed to be sad and sorry, so them take her daughter and I try to find some kind of solution. So this is her cursing out the people or the person, people, you know what I mean? But me I'm gonna say person, you know, because the Yankee my direct it at me know him a cuss out Shay and all. But yeah, Yankee who she exposed. You see me I say so Yankee forget exposed, but Zoe no forget exposed. Make it make sense. Zoe, me not agree with Zoe getting exposed still, you know, but just like how you can expose Yankee and cuss him on top of it and say yes him forget exposed cause him a batty man. Okay then Zoe a suck wood. She forget exposed for suck wood and there with man because she no fear do it either. Right? But Zoe is not the person, you know what I mean, where we are direct nothing at. Zoe is the person we are sympathize with right now and hope say she can, you know what I mean, turn a new leaf and try to get some education. That are the most important thing for Zoe right now. Getting some education and getting a certificate say she go school. So that means say when things get tough in her life or she want go get a skill or anything like that, she have what can use to say okay me pass through high school and me can do this, you know what I mean, more than if you don't have nothing for sure. You understand me? So make watch some more with people.
Tell me nothing, you know, Yankee. All when me not get no justice, you know. You go talk about ball and your water. Your mother if you know say you is a batty man. Yankee, you take your wall of your blood clot and I shove up you up in your body wall. You star porn. You is a porn star. Eh? I don't want to come sneak by woman and bust up them body crack. I saw no blood clot dirty man tan. I don't want to sneak by woman and come bust up them blood clot body crack. Knowing that's how a batty man and a batty who no love. I don't know why a woman hold them with a blood clot secret and not come talk about karma. Calm up underneath your big thinking, mama Yankee. Yankee go suck your mother. And that me I tell you a million blood clot time. You see how the girl over there when he am Pinky where you dig out Pinky body? Eh? You see how the girl over there when he am Pinky where you dig out Pinky blood clot body? Remember say me a picture with Pinky in my phone, you know. Me a blood clot picture with Pinky in my phone when Pinky turn one back way, you know. What a Pinky back way you take, you know. Eh? Dirty blood clot Yankee. Y'all come play with blood clot me. Eh? After you see people in a them problem, you now come look justice after that. When you see people in a them problem, eh? When you see people in a the older girl, a girl go on where you gonna man. When you see people in a them look a problem, you run come look justice. You run come talk about you see what me did not tell you now? You see, Yankee, you can't justify that big old hand that will go up in your body. Yankee, you can't justify that big old hand that will go up in your body. No matter what you say and what you do, Yankee, you can't justify that. So now come go and like me a liar and me a wicked. Come justify that. You hear me tell you? You come out here, sir, come chat up your blood clot mouth. Dime have the whole of your blood clot secret. I remember say Pinky have a blood clot handicap. Hey, me not gonna say that, you know. That is not me. God forgive me. Pinky have a disabled child. Pinky have a disabled child. I remember say it's a boy pitney and you help take care of the baby who not hide it, you don't want nobody see. You don't want nobody see. Pinky have a disabled child. Remember say you and Pinky are take care of the disabled baby, the baby. You don't want nobody see, you know. Eh? But Pinky would allow you to come take care of the disabled baby knowing that say you is a batty man. Fuck on our chat say. Eh? You don't want to come ramp with me in night, yeah? I wrong smaddy. I wrong smaddy when I ramp with him. You don't want to come play with me in night, yeah? I wrong smaddy tonight when I play with him. You hear me tell you? I will call out the whole I want one by one. Do not play with me. Because from here you left me not call your name. So me don't want to jump up on the jump on my name and the whole I want to depend on prime time blood clot news. Prime time blood clot news as you hear what go and the whole I want to jump on it for your topic. Eh? You don't know no topic. Eh? You don't know no topic for go on. How can I play with it? I don't want them play with me. I don't want them play with me. I go down to jail and I go rub it then. I don't want none of them play with me because enough of them will come here and start going like them are things them are nobody. Enough of them will come here and start going like them are things them are nobody. Enough of them will say chat up them out them are nobody. You understand me? Them are going like say, I done the little guy girl life done. I saw them are going. Them are going like say, I done her life done. Them are going like say, I end of the earth for the little girl. I saw them are going. You understand? All of them run come out now with one. Everybody are come with them suggestion. Everybody turn judge. Everybody turn lawyer. Everybody turn doctor. Everybody turn all different type of blood clot counselor. Go look in the back part on a blood clot, you are drunk crows. Fuck on go. Your skin spotty like a dog. Eh? You need some type of vitamin and mineral and calcium in your body. That is the karma we are lick you, bitch. You come in my house. Girl like you, me shouldn't make come in my house, girl. Girl like you, me shouldn't make come in at my house and come side of my daughter. Cause not like you come at my yard, Shanell. You don't come at my yard, Shanell, come teach my pitney them. Nuh-uh. You run go make video. Hey, you see you, Dragga. Dragga, see me and abide me now. Come here one person, me just really. Yo, people must know me stay upon this by now, you know. Dragga, you don't like me, no youth. You hate me like a dose of poison, you know. You come like some mama man in a youth. You come like some girl buto. Eh? You come like some girl buto. I saw you stay. And you want to come play games with me and come smiling on my face, but hush, mommy. Mommy, hush, man. I don't want to see you stressed out. Move your blood clot hypocrite self and go. You're a hypocrite. Mama go through my pain by myself. You're a blood clot crit and your long mouth ugly girl. Your girl look like a blood clot alligator. You and your long mouth ugly girl. Wanna go one side and leave me alone. You understand? Me I tell you that straight up because me no see that nasty stinking bitch. So when you look at thinking dirty girl a come with the gingy fly, them a follow her blood clot face. She shaped like a blood clot line stick. Yeah, come make video about Karma. Karma, your blood clot, girl. Eh? How you? You can't fool people, you know. You can't fool me, you know. You can't fool anybody else, Channel. You can't fool me, you know, dirty girl. Say so the whole of una buckle up and come for me there. Me tell you, say me a one-woman army. Me is a one-girl army. Me not order no girl for come fight for me. And me alone and God. Hey, me tell you. And you say for you now, cause me a cutter go down the line, you know. So me take time and me just a cutter go down the line. Right? No. For you, Aki walk. You run out now because you think of your justice. You have court data come up. You run out now. You Aki walk, you run out now because you think that this will clear you. Aki walk, old dirty man. Mildew, dirty blood clot old man where a fuck young girl. Cause you could have go push your body in a one big woman, you push in a young girl. Remember say you there with my daughter when she have 14 blood clot ear wall. 14! And you run and come talk about she did bad. Or when she did bad, you as a 37-year-old man. You as a 37-year-old man, you don't have no right to go sleep with a 14-year-old man, dirty man. So when you come out, you so come look blood clot justice.
My people, me tell you no say, no matter how a person stay, them are gonna have support. Them are gonna have at least even one person where I go support them all when them wrong. You see me? So Annie is that person where you gonna have some of the people them still a support her and say, you know, sympathize with her and say, you know, them wrong for this and wrong for that and very in a fear corner. And as I said before, my people, when it come to like a person getting monetary help and then we them have a problem with it. You see me, I would never try stop nobody when me have no issue with food. You see me, so Annie deserve to make whatever she make, but me don't want to see her. Trust me, me don't want to see Annie just because me have this to share with Ono. You know what I mean? Me just share it, but definitely me tell these people, Annie disgusts me. You see me I say? Yeah, she feel her youth them people. And you see, if Annie just did need for the one thing, my people, one assignment Annie have, Annie couldn't do the assignment, and is make sure say this youth you go to school. Even if you don't even check in book nor nothing like that, make sure say you go to school. And he couldn't do that.
Me no care who want blood clot chat pan this. Me a burn the whole of the blood clot bridge. Me say me a burn the bridge with me blood clot the panning. Say if a prison me a go pussy whole of uno a go there. Say if you no think you go put uno cocky in a one local girl. And because me a go afraid, me now go blood clot put it to the justice. Uno go jail and me a go jail. The whole of uno go blood clot jail. The whole of we a go blood clot jail. Me a burn the bridge. What are we a go down? You're 37-year-old. 37-year-old. And you, as a big man, go look for go there with my daughter and come out now and come talk about. You see me, they tell us that she bad. She did bad. You as a big old toasty blood clot man. Eh? One big old dirty long seed toasty blood clot man. I know you come feel like you can get justice out of this. No, me I go with the law. Aki what me telling you, play with me now. Don't play with me. You know if you go take man. Instead you go take man in a bush. Where you grow on your back in a bush, go take man. Eh? You're there in me all upon Lord in me blood clot house. So no come here come set no example. Eh? You want come here so come go like you're good blood clot 2 shoes. You're nasty like a blood clot dog. You're nasty. Hey, come here so come talk about karma. Calm up underneath your big thinking, mama man. Don't play with me tonight, you know. I run night you know if you play with me, and me tell you no. I feel like you can't come put me down when me don't try for my youth them. No for you not do what me do for me youth them, and that me I tell you no. No for you not do what me do for my youth them. And I come here so come feel like you want to come blood clot these people. Eh? And you see all you Jagga. You see you Jagga. Eh? Jagga, you see you. Me for ask God for cripple one on my left pum pum cheek. You Jagga, me for ask God for cripple one on my left pum pum cheek. Hey boy, me not lie to you. You're a wicked blood clot boy now. You're a wicked boy now. You want to come and come smiling on my face. Knowing that you're an evil youth. Eh? Most of this start from you. Enough of this start from you because you're not real. And you don't love your sister then. You don't love your sister then. You're supposed to be the man in the family. You're supposed to be the man in the family. You understand? You as my bigger son, you're supposed to be the man in the family. You don't rate your sister then. Eh? And if you go about your big old thinking sour girl come out, come talk about, oh, it is karma. Hey girl, calm up underneath your big thinking mama will come from Spanish town. Shanell, calm up underneath your blood clot sister will fuck out the whole of Spanish town. That is the blood clot karma, bitch. Eh? On the ear say she gone now. She gone. She there with CDA. Our homes wanna call it. Look on it and say, oh God, me pray for her. Say me pray for her. You come out now and come talk about blood clot karma. Pray for her, a young look of blood clot girl. Oh not eat pan the little girl so. Oh not eat pan her so like she ain't no body. Oh not eat pan her so now pin you out there where I fuck down the place. Eh? I become media pan the media. I know how to know about my business because I'm a media person. No for no blood clot pin you fuck down the blood clot place. I want to know. Well, you can't control on the youth them. Eh? I don't come here so want come pick my out of people here. I don't want come pick my out of blood clot people here right now. Don't even know no blood clot people there. She do what she do and me I seek some help in the eyes of the public. In the eyes of the public, me I seek some help you know. And me say, alright, me get it baby girl some help because look what go on. Eh? I know how to deal with the thing, gonna spread it like a wildfire. Like a wildfire, so to do it. I don't look a batty boy pan it up. Eh? I look a batty boy pan it up. Eh? You see how you bumbo clad big old deep old batty Yankee. Hey boy, from the day me care you gonna come at me house in a Yankee. Yankee from the day me care you come at me house assault and murder in a batty boy. Cause me know see a batty you fucking a youth. Eh? For to the day I die in a youth, you a batty man in a Yankee. Nobody can tell me nothing in a Yankee. All when me no get no justice, you know. You go talk about ball and your water. Your mother fi know say you is a batty man. Yankee, you take your whole of your blood clot and I shove up you up in your batty hole. You star porn. You is a porn star. Eh? I don't want to come sneak by woman and bust up them batty crack. I saw no blood clot dirty man tan. I don't want to sneak by woman and come bust up them blood clot batty crack. Knowing that's how a batty man and a batty show no love. I don't know why a woman hold down with a blood clot secret and not come talk about karma. Calm up underneath your big thinking, mama Yankee. Yankee go suck your mother. And that me I tell you 1,000,000 blood clot time. You see all the girl over there when you Pinky, where you dig out Pinky body? Eh? You see all the girl over there when you Pinky, where you dig out Pinky blood clot body? Remember say me a picture with Pinky in my phone, you know. Me a blood clot picture with Pinky in my phone when Pinky turn around back way, you know. What a Pinky back way you take, you know. Eh? Dirty blood clot, Yankee. You come play with blood clot me. Eh? After you see people in a them problem, you now come look justice after that. When you see people in a them problem, eh? When you see people in a the older girl go on where you gonna man. When you see people in a them look a problem, you run come look justice. You run come talk about you see what me didn't tell you now? You see Yankee, you can't justify that big old hand that will go up in your body. Yankee, you can't justify that big old hand that will go up in your body. No matter what you say and what you do, Yankee, you can't justify that. So now come go on like me a liar than me a wicked. Come justify that. You hear me tell you? You come out here, sir, come chat up your blood clot mouth. Dime have a whole of your blood clot secret. I remember say Pinky have a blood clot handicap. Hey, me not gonna say that, you know. That is not me. God forgive me. Pinky have a disabled child. Pinky have a disabled child. I remember say it's a boy pitney and you want help take care of the baby who not hide it, you don't want nobody see. You don't want nobody see. Pinky have a disabled child. Remember say you and Pinky are take care of the disabled baby, the baby. You don't want nobody see, you know. Eh? But Pinky would allow you to come take care of the disabled baby knowing that say you is a batty man. How can I play with it? I don't want them play with me. I don't want them play with me. I go to my jail and I go rub it then. I don't want none of them play with me because I see enough of them will come here and say go on like them a things them and nobody. Enough of them will come here and say go on like them a things them and nobody. Enough of them will say chat up them out them and nobody. You understand me? Them a go on like say I done the little guy girl life done. I saw them a go on. Them a go on like say I done her life done. Them a go on like say I end of the earth for the little girl. I saw them a go on. You understand? All of them run come out now with one. Everybody a come with them suggestion. Everybody turn judge. Everybody turn lawyer. Everybody turn doctor. Everybody turn all different type of blood clot counselor. Go look in the back part on a blood clot. You had drunk crows. Fuck on go. We don't talk already. Chidia homes. Alright. Government take care. Me have to go through the court. You understand me? Are the best thing for do. Sometimes we are run from the things that we think is hard. Not for the time we are run from things we think it is hard. We go there with the court now. What the court we are deal with now. We are deal with the court. We are get counseling. Go through the right channel so she can get help. If you mean her good, go through the right channel. I make she get some help. Them are dirty people that come like gonna feel like you can't jag down nobody. You can't jag me down. I promise you that. I promise you that. Oh, you never hear say me a nanny sister. You never hear. You never know. Girl, me not watch none of them. Me not watch none of them. I say for the peace, my word I work with them and the system tell me what to do. If the system tell me say me not for do certain things, me not go do it. Right now, if the system tell me say me for come off of social media, me I come off. Right now, if them tell me say me have to come set myself in a certain manner way to keep her, me I go do it. Anything them tell me I go do it for me get my pitney. Me I go do it for keep my family. Nobody never did it for me. Say me ask somebody can show me when me I do wrong. If somebody out there can show me when me I do wrong, where me go wrong, you understand me? So me can grab her back, I willing to take it. And if you go down a blood clot, GLOs go rub it out and rub crutches, me go do it. You hear me tell you? Which mother go want to see all of them cubs, all our cubs them become a cruff? Which mother? On stupid? Eh? Every day a back road that sell, me now go want my daughter there back road too. So best thing me do, me go make she get the help, make the authorities step in. Make them step in. Eh? And you go tell me, say, you was a big old dirty blood clot, man. You see all you Kim King? You see all you Kim King? Kim King, let me tell you something. You see the reason why me no cuss you? Me know say Batman now go win. Me know say Batman now go win, Kim King. Say, you know what me do? Me shut my mouth and me just easy back and relax. Cause cussing with a Batman, it waste time. That's why I'm not cuss with Batman. It don't make no sense. You understand? But you get too much now. You get too much now. You're not staying in your lane. You don't know yourself. Eh? For a man like you, me go put you and put Zoe. You suck cock for your living. You lick body for your living. You nyam shit for your living. Eh? You suck cock till the cock lick out your teeth. Eh? That is what you do for a living. Eh? You turn a full-blown Batman. You're going to the force. You're supposed to become an officer. But you decide Batty instead. You decide you want Batty instead. You leave this force and go connect to Batty. You turn a full-blown Batty man, and I know your mother must shame no blood clot if you have a nice young man like you and a lick your lick ass for your living. Bitch. Why would I argue with you? Eh? You goggle bars professionally. Why would I argue with you? Me not go with you. Oh.
Well, people, all me have to say, and you feel like you them, and that's final. And no matter how she cuss and go on, she can't justify nothing. You see me, I say she's just a careless mother, ruthless mother. You know what I mean? A upholdance mother. She's all that's bad when it comes to mother. Yeah. Me just have to say that because she feel like you them. You see it, people. You see, when it comes to schooling, that are one of the most important. That are the most important. One of the most important thing to a picnic life. You see what I say? And you see, schooling is like, say boy, yeah, play one of them archery. You see me I say where you can win a big prize where it can change your life. You see me I say when you say the youth them go to school because you don't know, maybe you don't have the education of people, but that picnic just take on and just love them book, and when by the time you check it, this picnic very brilliant, and them not be brilliant in a school work neither, you know, people. They can just take on a practical and just catch a skill, and you check it out, and that skill they make them rich and change your life. So how can you not want to do gamble this up? Me just have to say gamble. You know what I mean? Because you can send them go to school and them don't come out with nothing. You know what I mean? As thing that, you know what I mean? You send them go to school and they don't get a good education, but at least them have a school leaving certificate or them can use when them get a job or nothing. But what if you gamble and win with them and them get a good education and can change your life? You know what? Tell me you don't want that? So, people, let me know what you think and we can watch some more and then move on to the next.
Could I win you? Tell me the truth now. You eat this a family with a passion. Everything will come out, you run out, you dip on my daughter, you drag down my pitney them. You eat me pitney them like a dose of poison.
Most of them eat the mother. It make it even worse way, Zoe. And that's true. And them people where you see eat the mother and carry the pitting them also in the hatred, them people are fuckery people. Them people are wicked people. You see me can't pitney. There is no way you can, as an adult, can vex with that. Like, you're not supposed to vex. You're not keep malice with pitney, that man know. No, but you and the adult in a problem like that different. Pitney, nothing in an adult and big people problem. That's what I say, pitney, nothing in anything. So them people where through them eat the mother, them eat the pitney them too, them for go one side. I have a set of people on the app who just want to see, my brain just want to see the woman family just feel from the baby to the old lady. Like, them want everything just feel for her, like. And them have to understand her, them run her to understand that, so the whole internet wants to feel. So if them not understand that, I work understand for them. You see me, them need to fix up them folly ground, man, and come and get up off of them foot, whatever they sit down upon. Yeah. God say I know it come right. Nobody, one night time there, I mean I say, you look like a Mika, and the only one of them in the family have look sense, you know. And then I go see Mika. And then me I say, Jesus Christ, you know, say, look like I go make the family stand out though. And then Jesus Christ. I don't know, cause tomorrow morning you hear say me depend on name. I finish now. But me just say, nobody supposed to bring down the little girl. She's a child, and a lot of parents know, a lot of big woman know where parents know them start have sex from them level 12, 13, 14, 15. In fact, them same one have baby when them are 13, 14, 15. You see me, so she never have no baby. When you just see the video come out viral, when you just see the video, she not pregnant, she's not dead, she have her life. So when you not bring her down, you see me, she don't have, like, the nigga will post the video on the internet. She don't have that for deal with already. She don't want nothing more for deal with. So you see if you can give her a word of encouragement better than for bring her down. So you see if you not go encourage her and say, yo, listen, life not done as so, you know, don't make them feel like life done as so for you. Life not done as so, get up. This I just want to look a small brush. Get up, brush up.
You have to put in a mirror and read it. Tell the people them how you make me play with your ass, see you, and finger you. Me no use me hands. You love play with what? Guys, she need to go to school. Your ass, cause it make your bus fast. Pussy, you near me front. From back, member, and then when you ask me to play with your body, you now make me video. Kyle, you try to fuck me in a me body, but bear it. You tell me but bear it. Me tell you no. Sick me stomach. And that she said today, 2:24. And that she said today at 2:24. So I want baby that. What? I want little girl. That is a child. Is that a child?
That a big woman that.
Is that a child? Is that a child? Are the child that? Uno a picnic. Cause we don't know say when no one the man bust off, you no pushing no finger in their body. Can't even construct a proper sentence. Little girl don't. Miss a little girl don't. Uno a picnic. But leave the child alone. Leave with child alone. A big woman that.
I don't think I tickle your bars and make them bust off. Like what Ziggy
And
said.
today she posted that 224 and she put up the boy picture. She put up the boy picture too. See the boy picture there. About she's a child. Now go from here, sir. Stay there. See where she posted the boy picture. But she's a child. That she posts on her status. Today she posted 224. See that you can see it on the picture. Now look. On the thing. See that? Today the 14, right? Come something. Come on. Make it people them can see good.
Yeah.
Wanna look good. What it say? You see it today? 8:14. 2:24 p.m. You know see it? You know see the date? Today she posts that.